Physicians and nurses, if you earn great money but still feel financially exposed, this is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll give you the code, the exact steps to protect income, cut taxes, and make work optional without burnout. By the end, you'll know your financial independence number and your top 3 moves to start this week. I'm Marisol Uribe, RN turned financial pro. Let's run your financial vitals. The code framework for financial freedom. This is an episode all about helping you move money, helping you move from working for money, to making money work for you. So grab your coffee, maybe your favorite pen, and let's run through your financial vitals together. Attention, physicians and nurses, why you need a financial plan. Doctors spend their lives caring for others, but who's taking care of their financial health? Between long hours, student loans, and the constant stress of running a practice or managing hospital shifts, it's easy to ignore personal finances. But just like patients need your regular checkups, your money does too. This is why I built the Code Framework, a system for healthcare professionals to protect income, reduce taxes, and build long-term wealth without burnout. Because true financial wellness doesn't come from earning more, it comes from having a strategy and executing it. The financial checkup. Here's the financial checkup. The first mindset shift. High income does not mean financial success. If you're earning great money but lack structure, clarity, and a plan, you're still exposed. That's why I built the Money Clarity Spreadsheet. It's a simple diagnostic, lab work for your finances. It shows exactly where your money goes and how to direct it towards what matters most, which is your goals, your peace of mind, and your freedom. Financial clarity isn't about doing more, it's about doing what matters most with what you already have. Let's break down the financial code, CODE. So let's decode your wealth plan. C stands for coverage, O, optimization, D, diversification, and E, exit strategy. The 4 pillars to design a life and legacy that makes sense. C, coverage, your financial foundation and safety net. Review life insurance, disability, and if you're self-employed, business overhead coverage. Know your living benefits, example, accelerated death benefits, so you can access funds during a serious illness, not just afterward. O, optimization, make your money work as hard as you do. Tighten tax strategy, align investment allocations, and free up cash flow so compounding could do its job. D, diversification. Spread assets across 3 buckets: taxable, tax-deferred, and tax-free. Diversification reduces risk and improves tax efficiency. E, exit strategy. Retire, sell your practice, or step back on your terms. A clear exit plan keeps your wealth working even when you slow down. Trusts, taxes, and total protection. Let's talk about what most physicians overlook, which is trusts. A trust isn't just for the ultra wealthy. It's a force multiplier in estate planning that protects your family and your privacy. Trusts help you avoid probate, control how and when assets transfer, provide for minors through trustees, and keep your affairs private. Think of a trust as a rule book for your money when you're not around, written by you. Now, on taxes, every physician should master the 3 money buckets. The taxable is your brokerage account, CDs. Tax deferred is your 401k, 403b, or IRAs. And the tax-free includes the Roth IRAs cash value life insurance that's properly structured. And so diversifying across all three gives you options. So you can choose where to pool money from each phase of life and minimize lifetime taxes. So the bottom line, use trusts to control and protect the estate, and use tax buckets to control and reduce the bill. Now let's talk about the financial independence number, your FIN. Here's one of my favorite questions. How much is enough? How much do you actually need to retire comfortably? Or how to make work optional? That's your financial independence number, the amount invested to sustain your lifestyle indefinitely. Here's a simple math. It's your annual expenses divided by 4%. That's the 4% rule. So if you spend $200,000 a year, you'll need about $5 million invested to live off your portfolio safely. When you know your number, you stop guessing and you start planning with confidence. Business continuity and legacy planning. Practice owners and entrepreneurs. What happens to your business if you don't show up tomorrow? That's business continuity. If something unexpected hits, what happens to your practice, your patients, your staff? This is why buy-sell agreements, key person insurance, and trust structures matter. They don't just protect income. They protect the people who rely on you, continuity safeguards the business, and legacy planning safeguards the wealth. So together, they create peace of mind for you, your family, and your team. Your move, you get a continuity and legacy checkup, review your buy-sell key person insurance, and I suggest you review your trust documents now, not later. Taking the next step. Here's your next step, and it's just one. Book your one-on-one code review at uribainsurance.com. Pick a time, and we'll map your protection, tax, and wealth plan on the call. You'll leave with a 90-day action plan and your top 3 moves. I cap reviews each week to protect quality. If this month's slots are full, grab the next available. And bonus when you book, I'll send you the money clarity spreadsheet and the financial checklist immediately so you can prep and get more from the call. Links in the show notes or go to uribainsurance.com now. This one decision, this one booking will build momentum that starts today.